This guide explains how to securely view saved passwords using Google Password Manager on both Android and iPhone devices in a professional and easy-to-follow manner. Using the Google Chrome application, open the browser on your mobile device and tap the three-dot menu icon located at the top right on Android or bottom right on iPhone. From there, select Settings and navigate to Google Password Manager. You will see a list of saved accounts. Tap the desired website or app entry. To ensure security, verify your identity using fingerprint, face recognition, or device PIN. Once verified, tap the eye icon to reveal the stored password clearly and safely. Alternatively, you can access saved passwords directly through Android system settings for a more integrated approach. Open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap Google, then select your Google account. Proceed to Security and Sign In and then tap Password Manager. Browse through the list of saved credentials and select the account you need. After completing identity verification, you will be able to view, copy or manage your saved password securely. Hope this helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides. See you next time.